When it comes to choosing a new technology platform, defining your requirements isn't just helpful, it's essential. Why are requirements lists so important? Think of requirements as the foundation for your entire selection process. Requirements lists anchor you to the real needs of your organization, preventing you from wasting time and resources chasing solutions that are all flash and no substance. Clearly outlined requirements help you focus your search, rule out platforms that don't fit, and make it easier for vendors to recommend the right solutions. They help you avoid buyer's remorse. Nobody wants to end up with an expensive system that's missing the functions they actually need. This doesn't just apply to custom or configurable platforms either. Requirements lists are critical even when you're looking at pre-built products. After all, it's easy to get caught up in bells and whistles you'll never use. Meanwhile, you could be missing core features that are necessary for your day-to-day operations. Additionally, requirements go beyond just software features. Make sure to consider the kind of support you'll need. Will you require technical support and additional training? Consulting services to improve and simplify your workflows? Help with data migration? Now that we've covered the why of requirements, let's take a look at the how. How do you define your requirements? Start by talking to everyone who will use your system: staff, leadership, and key volunteers. Don't leave anyone out. A missed perspective can completely change your project. Begin by mapping out your pain points. What frustrates staff and members right now? Sort your requirements into the following ranked categories. Must-haves. Features that are absolutely necessary. These are the make or break requirements that will immediately determine whether you can go further with a vendor. These are the base of your requirements cake. These go in the A priority tier. Nice-to-haves. Features you would really like to have, but could function without. They're the icing on your cake. These go in the B priority tier. Flying cupcakes. Features that, in an ideal world, you would love to include, but aren't necessary to your mission. These are the sparklers and roses on your cake. These go in the C priority tier. For each requirement, ask yourself, why do we need this? Challenge old habits and ensure each item addresses what your organization actually needs. Remember, it's not about how things have always been done. It's about how you want to do them now. Use a requirements list template and keep revisiting it to add and adjust items as you learn more. Be honest. When speaking with vendors, share your current gaps, your frustrations, and what works well. If you have many requirements or a tight budget, consider a phased approach. What is critical for launch? What can wait until phase 2? Want to get started? Check out the link in our description for a ready-to-use requirements template you can share with your team. Set yourself up for success with your next technology vendor. Start defining your requirements today.